Munanijua. Mimi naitwa nani? Sa. Yeah. Mama. But Nini, you actually say my she pulls me out from sijui what. Hizo maneno haya si mageni mjini. Umefinya madha manzi.
Amefanya mgonga amefanya wasiwasi. Maneno haya. But umenitoa mbali man.
Hiyo ni wasini kama vile Thames kwa concert alisema ati
I want champagne. I want this. Not right now. Right now I'm paying rent. Right now I'm planning a family, you know.
Type shit.
It went from buying champagne and drinking every other weekend with women who actually call you babe today, tomorrow they have a different customer. Then you're falling in love with them. But from then I have this one person to me, so you pulled me out of that place, you feel me?
Babe, leo mende muka na lines. Okay, sawa. Utapata. Okay, so I am done preparing, as you can see. Always looking fly.
I was ready by 7 a.m. in the morning.
But that's babe, we can't all be equal, you know?
No, but today I had to be ready.
Yeah, man. Let me, I'm sure.
I got a new haircut at home.
Oh, I see, man. I'm sure. No, I meant like that. No. Babe. Okay, cut it, babe. Baby, let's just you know, I'm sure nze chap ndo. Tuende tukashughulikie meno. No, tuende tukashughulikie meno, bro. So, it was a Tuesday like no other.